distracting them. They constantly think about you. But the thing is, they don't want to. Not because there's anything wrong with you. It's because they're so scared of how much they are attracted to you. This connection is making this person fearful because they've never experienced this type of feeling before. You know, you have ignited emotions within this person that have been dormant, and for some of you that have never been felt before on this type of level. It's electric. And this person is unsure about what they will do with this type of energy. So what they're trying to do is repress it, because they feel like if they give into this energy, they're going to give their power away to you, and they feel like you have the power to actually destroy them. They're trying to resist you. You know, they find you extremely attractive on a grand scale, and they have to really work hard on holding back from you, like literally. What they do is they choose to fixate and focus on their money because in their view, it's easier. You know, this person has a plan of where they want to take their career, and that's amazing. You're dealing with someone that's very ambitious. You're dealing with someone that could be in a position of power. For some of you, you're dealing with someone that's already with someone else. I don't want to say it, but I have to say I've got to be real, because you know I'm always real with you guys. I have to be real, right? And this is what's making them uncomfortable. And this individual finds you to be extremely attractive, but they have to ignore you. It's easier that way. So this person may act very nonchalant, act very detached, you know, as cool as a cucumber is what I'm hearing. You see how I kind of started there? You see, their mask is slipping. For some of you, this person could be a friend, or you may know them from a group, club, or organization. And this person sees you as their wish fulfillment, 100%. But at the same time, it's like, this is just a fantasy. This person thinks about you a lot. It's almost as if every time they think about you, they manifest you in. And then when they manifest you in, they act detached. They don't want to let on about how they feel for you. They don't want to let on about the effect that you have over them. And this person may feel like, you know what, let me just keep it cash. Let me just, just keep things surface based. Let me not let them know the effect that they have on me. Let me not let them know that I feel so excited whenever I'm around them or whenever they are around me. This person is choosing not to invest. So they don't want to entertain the situation. They don't want to feed the intensity of how they feel. But they can't escape the thought of you. They can't, because they daydream about you. And they see you as so magical, so beautiful. You know, someone that's so creative, so hypnotic, so appealing. They find you cute as well. You could have like a cute laugh or something, or you could look young for your age. And you may get them staring at you. They find you to be very compassionate. And they feel a emotional connection to you. But then there's fear. There's fear about giving into this actual situation, because what would that mean? It's going to upset a few folk. It's going to upset people. It's what they're thinking. They could have, again, for some of you, they could be in a situation already, right? Or their family members may not approve of this actual situation, and they may feel like it's safer to block off their emotions. And this is what this person has been doing. And the more they do it, the more they don't feel satisfied. They feel unhappy with the Nine of Swords. They don't feel happy about what they're doing. They feel like it's for the best, but they're also feeling like, for the best for who? Because even when they try and forget about you, whenever they are alone, the thoughts creep up in their mind and they can't escape the thoughts. They can escape the thoughts when they're at work, when they're maybe with friends or even family members, but when they're alone, they can't sleep. For some of you, this person wakes up at night in a sweat because they dream about you and the dream feels so real, and they wake up in a panic like, oh my days, like, oh my God, did that really happen? Oh, people have found out about how I feel. People have found out about us. You know, there's something about that, about them panicking, about people finding out about you both. This person really cares about their reputation. You know, they could be quite well known in their community or something like this, but I feel like this person wants to reach out to you. This is the Magician card. The Magician card is ruled by Gemini, and Gemini is ruled by the planet of communication, which is Mercury, and so is Virgo, and we are having a full moon in Gemini. And this person wants to reach out. You know, they are going to want to communicate with you, and there's something about them keeping things very surface based. They enjoy conversing with you, but for some of you, they may actually hold back. It's almost as if they're in denial. They're in denial about how they feel. I don't feel like this person is ready to express how they feel. They're not ready to express how they feel to you or themselves. And this is in a conflict that they are facing, that they are fighting on a daily basis. So this person is even lying to themselves about how they feel. They feel very unbalanced about the truth of wanting you, because I don't feel like they've ever wanted anyone this much before, and there's a fear of what does that mean. They fear about their role and how they're seen in society. They could also fear about their marriage if they're married. They could fear about their job for some of you. They fear that if they engage with you, if they give in to their emotions, it's not going to end well. It's going to destroy everything. It's what they're feeling. And that's the thing, this person fears a lot. But for some of you, I'm also picking up that this individual feels like they're willing to risk it all. They are willing to risk it all because they feel like they can have a legacy with you. For some of you, even if this person is not in a relationship, right? For some of you they are, but for some of you they're not. Please take what resonates. They are not happy. They are not happy. You know, they feel within you that here is someone that I can connect to. Here's someone that I feel like I've met before. I don't know if this person believes in past lives, but they feel as if you understand them on a deep level that they've never experienced before. They feel like they've met you before. So talking to you is easy. They don't have to lie. They can be authentic. You accept them. You see them. And they see you. It's unspoken. The connection you both share is unspoken. And it's quite scary to this individual. And they're trying to downplay the excitement that they feel for you. But you bring a lot of light in this person's life. A lot of happiness. You know, and this person, they feel like they just can't walk away from this actual situation with you. They don't want to be friends with you as well, is what I'm picking up. They want to come out of this energy of being friends. They're in a very confused state. The Two of Pentacles. Shall I? Shan't I? I don't know. Will I risk it all? Will I won't? You know, will I? Won't I? Will I lose out on opportunity? Will I ever get this opportunity again? You know, they're trying to hold back, you know, with the Knight of Swords. And Knight of Swords can be very impulsive. So they don't want to be impulsive. You know, Knight of Swords is Aquarius. And Aquarius does rule group clubs, organizations. and friendships. So it's almost as if they want to come out of this friendship energy, but at the same time, they don't want to manifest, or they're not sure about what they want to manifest if they come out of this friendship energy. Don't want to walk away from the connection, but don't know what to do either. So the more they try and suppress these emotions, the more stronger they will feel about you, the more they think about you, and they can't escape their thoughts.